going to now look at is number 5, and that is Gamma AI. So I'm going to first talk you through the different system. So this is a AI native tool that creates full presentations, documents, and web pages. We give it a topic, an outline, or a body of text, and it generates a fully designed structured output in under 2 minutes. Yeah. Themes are professional out of the box. Everything is then editable. What it is also great at is that outputs are shareable as a live link, not just a file. So people don't need to have PowerPoint on the receiving end. People click it, you can follow that data to see if somebody has done that. So Gamma uses a combination of a large language model to generate and structure content and an AI layout engine to choose and apply visual design. The two work in parallel. The content and the design are generated together, not separately. And this is why the output feels cohesive rather than just like text dropped into a template. So it's good for pitch decks, investor presentations, built from a brief or outline, client proposals that need to look polished quickly, internal reports, and the free plan has enough for a number of full kind of presentation decks. But then the pro plan is starting at only $10 a month. So it's good for the good value for the most kind of the frequency that most professionals need. So let's have a look at what it does instead. So how do we want to use it? We want to use it for work. I want to use it for marketing. It's just me. How did we hear about us? Oh, it needs a, and I don't really want. So let's start with the generate. So what would we like to make? I would like to make a proposal document that has full kind of details of what to expect and outcome and costing. Yeah, so we can generate the outline there. What it's going to do is it's now going to generate the kind of information. Executive summary, current landscape, proposed solution. Yeah. If I'm happy with that, I can add it. I can also add in extras kind of sections here. I can, do I want the text to be minimal or detailed? Do I want it, what kind of theme do I want to go for? What kind of images do I want to pull in? What kind of style? I like this kind, so we'll save. You can also change the model here if you wanted to. So I would have a look at what different kind of models you could utilize to create different types of content. And then I click generate. So what it does then is it starts to generate that for me so I can edit it and bring it together. As you can see, it's building that out for me as we talk together. Now, of course, the more, I should have given it much more than I did. It was a very basic prompt again. So if in the, like when you go through, if you have examples, you have your colors, you have your fonts, you can add that all in so that you're not editing much as it creates. But as you can see, it's starting to generate and create that for me, allowing me to go through and edit. So I can drag it around. I can edit with an agent. I can change the card styling, all directly in Gamma. So it gives us a kind of way to create gorgeous kind of information. But the fact you can share it on a direct live link, so it retains its kind of design and the way that it works, is also incredibly powerful. Now, as you can see, it's generating each section based on the card that it expected. Yeah. And what it does is it gives us a place to start from. So then we would add in our own information, our kind of the different levels of proposal. But it means that I don't have to create this template. I've got somewhere to begin.